5 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, страница 123. English, Spotlight 5, page number 123. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly, it's terrible. Don't be silly. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. My dear friends, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 123. 123. Extensive reading across the curriculum, geography. Exercise number 1, letter A. Look at the cartoon strip. Where are the children? What is wrong? Listen, read and check. Посмотрите на комикс. Где дети? Что случилось? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. Right then, the ten's up. Now let's have some fun. No, wait a minute. Simon, where are the whistle and compass? They are here. And here the water and matches. And the plastic bags for our rubbish. Don't worry, Tom. Everything's okay. What's that noise? Tom, why isn't the food in containers? Shut up, Bill. Just run. The answer. The children are on a camping holiday in the mountains. There is a bear in the tent and it is eating their food. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1, letter B. Read again. What have the children got with them? Прочитайте еще раз. Что дети взяли с собой? The answer. The children have got a whistle, a compass, some water, some matches, some plastic bags, and food with them. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. How is the cartoon related to the leaflet? Listen, read and check. Как комикс соотносится с буклетом? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. Safe camping. When you camp in the mountains, make sure you take a whistle and compass, pack some warm clothes, only drink bottled water, don't light matches inside the tent, pack food in containers, take your rubbish home with you. Know about the wild animals that live there. The leaflet explains how to be safe when camping in the mountains. The children haven't got their food in containers. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Match the points in the leaflet to the reasons below. Make sentences. Соедините правила из буклета с причинами. Составьте предложение. Not be in danger. Not get lost. Not start a fire. Not be cold at night. The countryside not be full of litter. Animals not come close. not have stomach problems with water from rivers and streams? The answer: you must take a whistle and a compass. Then you won't get lost. You must pack some warm clothes. Then you won't be cold at night. You must only drink bottled water. Then you won't have stomach problems with the water from rivers and streams. You must not light matches inside your tent. Then you won't start a fire. You must pack food in containers. Then animals won't come close to your tent. You must take your rubbish home with you. Then the countryside won't be full of litter. You must know about the wild animals that live there. Then you won't be in danger. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. In small groups, make your own cartoon strip about camping. Группой сделайте собственный комикс о походе. The answer: well, the tent is up. Here is a fireplace. The bottled water and food in containers are inside the tent. Is that all? No. Do you know what wild animals live here? No, why should I know that? Do you want to be in danger? Will it really help me? Yes, of course. Listen, what is it? Do you hear the noise? Arr! I am scared. Help, help! It's a bear here. Ha ha ha! Calm down. It's only a joke. There is your brother in the bushes. Bears don't live here. You should know this. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye.